I never used to like eating Nasi Lemak, but somehow living overseas just changes your perspective on things, and things that you never knew that you loved could be really nostalgic and very enjoyable. The night before, you want to marinate your chicken in coconut milk, some salt, some fennel powder, turmeric powder, white pepper, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. So the next morning, you want to coat your chicken pieces in corn flour. And the surface would look really rough and rubbly, and that's good because that will make for extra crispy chicken with more fissures. To make the chicken extra crispy, I'm going to do what is called double frying. So I'm going to fry the chicken pieces in oil until it's fully cooked and the skin turns a nice golden color. So if you're a smart cookie, you can freeze the chicken so that you can have Nasi Lemak anytime you want in the future. So now we're going to start cooking the rice. So once you have washed and rinsed your rice, you just want to drain it, and we're going to add the same amount of water to rice. So when you look at the markings of your rice cooker, the water level should look less than the actual number of cups of rice that you're cooking. So to flavor the rice, I'm going to be using some pandan leaves, also some salt. I think it's very crucial for you to taste the water in which the rice is cooking. It should be well seasoned. And then I'm also adding some lemongrass just because I like it in my Nasi Lemak. So while the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare the rest of the toppings, starting with the ikan bilis. So you just want to fry it until it's a nice gold color. You don't want to take it too dark or it can be quite bitter. I find that using a sieve is really useful here. So once the ikan bilis is done, you just want to drain it on paper towels and just spread it out as it cools so that it doesn't steam. You want to do the same for the peanuts, and for Nasi Lemak, you have to use skin-on peanuts. It's just the traditional and the right thing to do. So just toss everything together and you can taste them. And when they're fully cooled down, it should be crispy and not greasy at all. So for the cucumber, I didn't know this, but my husband Wax told me that it has to have a pattern. And so I tried making some patterns and I think it looks beautiful. So what you do is you rake your fork quite firmly across the cucumber, and then you just have to slice it thinly. So at this point, the rice is almost ready. So you just want to prepare some coconut milk. Once the rice cooker switches mode from cook to warm, you just want to remove the pandan leaves as well as the lemongrass. And then you want to fluff the rice a little bit so that the bottom doesn't get overcooked. And then you just want to add your coconut milk and let that absorb into the rice. So just stir that through, and then you just want to cover the rice cooker again and push the button down so that the rice cooks. This second cooking should only take minutes. So now, all that's left to do is deep fry the chicken pieces one last time so that it's shatteringly crispy, and also to prepare some banana leaves.